Out of the east, as the thunderstorm does roll, the rains come falling. A man, just a man, a simple being. On the road he is, the thunderstorms are calling. There's not much more to see in his eyes. Carrying the load of the past upon his shoulders, he cries out to the storm as the rains thunder down. What is it you get? What do you get when a man has no more? That the storms of life have ravaged him about, tossed into the street, and as a river thrown down to the course of life. Just a simple girl, her feet skinned by the road. She looks back to the past, not knowing where she's come from, though where she will go, it is not written yet. But as the light fades from the sky, it's the same as in her eyes. What do you get? What do you get when the light is fading and there's nothing more? Well, tell the man in the street, tell the woman cast down, what is there to hope for? In the morning as the cold falls upon the breath, still the tears of yesterday are stained in the eyes. A man, a woman, a child, just like you and me, they walk in the rain. Cast out from the land, cast out from their home. What more is there? Well, may they roam, a wave tossed about upon the ocean so vast. What do you get when there's nothing left at all? What do you get? Tell me, what is there for the lowly when they travel to the road with nothing left in their hands, nothing left in their hearts, when the people must roam from their home? A child, just a child alone, raised up to become an adult upon the road. They look back, a smile smiles upon their face, it lights a light for a moment, and in a blink of an eye, it is gone. The road is what I've gotten to travel the other way. Across this river, this ocean so vast, I will go till I find home. What do you get? What do you get when there's nothing left of a man? When there's nothing to fill the belly, or nothing to fill the heart? What do you get? What do you get but the falling stars as the night comes to the walker upon the pilgrim's road? For eternity, the road for eternity, the